This is a 2012 Ford F-150. It features a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, power-adjustable driver pedals, a double wishbone independent front suspension, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
D&D Motors is located at 13655 East Wade Hampton Boulevard in Greer. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.